Alright, well, first things first, this is not an actual review. This is just an unboxing video of the Fire TV stick, and then right after this I'm going to unbox a Fire TV. And basically what I want to do is show the comparisons and what you get out of the box for these devices. Now there are a ton of reasons why a person would want a Fire Stick or a Fire TV. The best reasons obviously are how convenient they are, the functionality of what they offer. You don't have to be a Prime member. For those who are wanting to save money and cut cable, this is a great alternative. You are welcome with some pamphlets that are trying to get your attention to what the Fire, I don't care. And then you turn this around, you'll find the micro USB powered cord that comes with the device. And you get this HDMI adapter. Here's the wall unit for your power. You also get your Fire Stick, believe it or not, in this package.
Take time, need to feel your flow, slow climb, I already know.
And of course, you just plug this in directly into your TV's HDMI slot. And here's your Fire TV remote with Alexa built in. It's a very good remote, and the batteries that actually come with this device last quite a while. And that is what you get with a Fire TV stick. Now onto the Fire TV. As you can tell, the main difference here is this has a dongle. And if you flip the box over to the side, you'll see obviously it is 4K compatible. So if you have a 4K TV, this is right down your alley. Everything else that comes in this box is pretty similar to the Fire Stick. The main difference is this doesn't have the HDMI extension with it. And as you can tell, more literature, and literature. Bleh. As we pull out the dongle, notice this is very lightweight, nice sleek design. And so we have our outlet here that goes to our wall. The unit also includes our micro USB, and you can either choose to plug this into the side of your TV if it has a USB port, or you can obviously use the included AC wall mount. Here's our remote with Alexa built in, just like the Fire Stick has. And looking around, seeing if there's anything else in these pockets. There definitely is some batteries over here, so put those in the remote. So people were to ask me which one of these I would prefer. Honestly, you'd be just as good just sticking with the Fire TV stick, unless of course you had a 4K TV. So that is pretty much what you get with the Fire TV 4K. Here's also a quick side-by-side to see what you get with both devices and what you get for your money. And this is how you'll be hooking these things up to your TV. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you liked it. It's just an unboxing. Give me a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. I appreciate it.